Hey, this is Austin, back with another video. So today I have the Top Race TR-1200 high racing speedboat. I've had it for almost a week now and it's done me pretty good here on the river. It does pretty good. So I'm going to take it out for you guys. Give her a spin. It's about 1/3 throttle, or 1/4. And give it some speed. Full throttle. This little thing flies around the lake. In this case, a river. Really nice boat. It's only 130 bucks on Amazon, and it comes with a battery and a charger. But I have a hobby grade charger, so I just use that, and it charges the battery in about an hour when it's fully dead. It's an 1800 milliamp hour LiPo battery. That's actually pretty nice. I don't feel the need to upgrade it. It does me pretty good. The runtime's really good too. It lasts about 10 minutes if you're just going like me right here. Just occasional, give it a lot of gas. Whoa! Wow. See, this thing just gets up and goes after anything. It has that auto flip technology where you can flip it over if it flips itself. So you go like this, and you just go back and forward, and it just flips it right over. It uses the torque or the motor. Really nice feature. I like that a lot about it. And it also has reverse. So throws a nice little rooster tail. Yeah, 130 on Amazon, which is not bad price at all if you're just starting to get into boats. This is a perfect beginner boat. Like me, I'm just starting out, but I already love it. It does get some water in it when you're running it, but it's not bad at all. See, this thing hauls. Pretty fun little boat. It says on the box it goes 30, which is really good for only a $130 boat. Nice little toy to mess around with on the lake or the river or wherever you're at. I'll show you guys the reverse here. Pretty much goes like a submarine in the water. Nice rooster tail off back of that thing. It also comes with 2 nose cones to protect the nose of the boat from hitting objects such as rocks or the bank. Be careful on the back of the rudder. It doesn't have like a safety thingy like some other boats have I've seen on Amazon, where it goes up in the air so it doesn't get damaged. I gotta be careful with that, but otherwise it's pretty good. Oh boy. Get out of there? Yep. Alright. Anyways, guys, that's the Top Race TR-1200 high racing speedboat. If you like this video, give it a like. It really helps me out so I can do more videos for you guys to get different boats. Just a really great boat. Perfect for beginners. Nice gift for someone if they enjoy the RC hobby. Coming from a person that has like RC crawlers and stuff, play with those all the time. Then I got this little thing. Saw it on YouTube, so I might as well give it a try. You can get the water out from here if there's water in the boat. Then it's just a little rubber seal. But anyways, pretty nice boat. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.